Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the option show most used app settings is disabled or grayed out on your system, then please watch this video. Now there's no switch to reactivate it, but there's a reason. A lot of third-party software products can make changes to the registry, which leads to its graying out. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to the key H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies and Explorer. In the right pane, create a new dword entry and name it no change start menu. Double click on it and change the value data to 0. Actually 0 is the default value data. You just have to verify it. Okay, and then restart your computer. The problem will be fixed because this policy makes sure that it will not be grayed out. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.